Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Tutorial Masterclass YouTube channel. Be honest, are you bored with your YouTube niche? Maybe you started in gaming, but now you're obsessed with tech, or you were making makeup tutorials and now you want to do finance. And now you're wondering, if I switch niches, will I destroy my channel? Is it too late to start over? Here's the truth. You can switch niches, but if you do it wrong, you could lose everything you've built. Today, I'm breaking down exactly how to switch and still grow. Step 1. The reality about switching niches. Yes, it is absolutely okay to switch niches later. In fact, some of the biggest YouTubers you know started in completely different genres. The algorithm won't punish you for evolving, but your audience might get confused if you don't handle it right. YouTube's goal is simple. Show the right content to the right people. If you change your topic without guiding your viewers, the algorithm will struggle to know who to push your videos to. Step 2. When to switch niches. Here's when switching makes sense. You're burnt out creating your current content. You discovered a topic you're truly passionate about. Your analytics show growth in a different type of video. You see more potential in another niche long term. But don't switch just because you had one bad month. Every niche has ups and downs. Make the decision based on data and passion combined. Step 3. How to switch without killing your channel. If you're going to switch, here's how to make it smooth. Bridge your content, create videos that connect your old niche to your new one. Example, what gaming taught me about productivity. Test the waters, post 2 to 3 videos in your new niche while still uploading your old style. Watch how both perform. Rebrand, gradually update your banner, about page and channel description to reflect your shift. Communicate with your audience, tell them why you're making the change. Viewers respect honesty. And step 4, should you start a new channel? If your new niche is related to your old one, you can transition on the same channel. If it's completely different, like cooking to cryptocurrency, you might want a new channel to grow faster. General rule, under 1,000 subs. Switch on the same channel. Over 10,000 subs with a loyal niche audience. Consider testing on a second channel. Switching niches isn't the end of your YouTube journey. It might be the start of your best chapter yet. The key is to pivot with purpose, not panic. If you're thinking about switching, comment your current niche and your dream niche below, and I'll give you my honest take. Hit like if this gave you clarity. Subscribe to Tutorial Masterclass for everyday YouTube growth strategies and for more YouTube growth tips. Remember, your niche doesn't define you. Your value does. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.